Hello students. Today we will be discussing about information system and channel management. So, information technology has made a significant difference in every field. So, it has made a big difference in channel operations and management as well. So, information system has changed the way in which the information is recorded, stored, and transferred between the channel members. So, what exactly the channel information system is? It is an orderly flow of operational data both internally and between the channel members for the for the purpose of decision making. So the basic purpose of channel information system is to collect and analyze the data about the operations of the channel in order to assess the performance, and the corrective actions can be taken so that the overall performance can be improved. If we have the data, we can check what is the actual result and what is the desired result. If there is a gap between them, we can work out how to overcome those gaps. So they have added value to the distribution function and enables channel members to integrate all the information which was not possible in the conventional distribution system. So information system and the channel management has also influenced the distribution channels. Lengthy channels have given way to the shorter and highly efficient distribution channels. So, this information system is comprised of the information database and the hardware and the networks, which helps in collection, processing, and transmission of information. The hardware, software, and the networks vary depending on the application requirements of the members of the channel. It also varies from business to business application depending on what type of business you are dealing with. So it varies according to the industry to industry. So there are multiple types of information system that has been used in various organizations, like transaction based information system, continuous replacement programs, efficient CRS systems, point of sales, QR codes, and electronic data interchange, which is means simply the sending of data through the electronic means. These are the common information system that has been used in the organization. There are multiple others as well. So it has influenced the way in which the different functions of the channels are performed. It has streamlined all the information that flows in the channels, and which has ultimately improved the performance. It has also influenced the distribution of products and the distribution of flow, like in terms of transaction flow, promotional flow, inventory flow, and the negotiation flow have improved significantly. It has also improved the relationship among the channel members. It has also impacted the dynamics of the powers among the channel members. EDI, that is electronic data interchange, systems have reduced the asset specificity, complexity by reducing the number of levels between the buyer and the sellers. So here in EDI, there the invoice and the ordering, everything will take place through the online medium. So they have reduced the time also, and they have reduces the complexity as well. So what are the advantages of having information? Actually, information is the processed form of data. So that information is the core of any organization, or what we can say is, in today's era, information is a blood for the entire organization. It helps in marketing planning or decision making, because the timely information about the internal and external environment is very very important in today's scenario. It also helps you in tapping the various marketing opportunities that are available. It also keeps you alert about the threat about from the that you are going to face from the competitors. It also helps you in providing market information, which will help you in identifying the trends, and ultimately you can lead development actions for the growth. It keep tracks about the needs of the consumers, so that you can able to design marketing and distribution programs accordingly. And one of the most important thing is quality of marketing decisions is largely dependent of quality of information. If the information is correct, the decisions will automatically be correct. If the information, the quality of information that has been collected is wrong, howsoever perfect decision is there, it will of no use. So quality of marketing decisions entirely depend on the quality of information that is available. So, information system uses various methods and resources to collect the data, process, store, and use. So, this entire process of collection of data, this information system, it involves four steps. First one is collection of data. Collection of data means acquiring and placing the raw material. For example, monthly sales of any territory, or the sales quotas, sales budget of any territory, that is the collection portion. Processing means you are doing some kind of meaning, or you are doing some kind of analysis, you are modifying, interpreting the data. So this is done by the users. For example, you are trying to make out certain meaning out of it, certain inferences out of it. Comparison of sales between different territories could be a best example of processing. You are checking like which territory is doing better, or what is the monthly sale, or the average sales of a particular month. Next is a storage. Whatever information you have processed, you have to keep it safe so that you can use it for the further purpose. And that information is used by the management for the purpose of decision making. It could be on any level, it could be on operational level, tactical level, and the strategic level. For example, the sales data of the past 6 months may help you in predicting the sales of the next month. So it this entire process is very very helpful in decision making. The purpose of channel information system is collecting, analyzing the data in order to improve the performance and effectiveness of the channel. So there are multiple things that you keep track of, like history of orders, distribution cost, distributors ROI, retailers card, statutory information, distributors payments record. These are the information that we keep, and multiple others that we keep in this distribution channel portion. So the market information can also relate to the potentials of a market, different players that are existing in the market, what are the various activities done by the competitors, activities performed by the various channel members, or what are the actions of non competing but the complementary products. So these type of information is to be collected and reviewed on a daily basis. So for a sales manager, it may be required to review once a week, unless there is a major event like competitive product launch. But otherwise, you have to collect the data on a daily basis. So what type of data do we collect through this information system? First of all, we do is the competition tracking. The information system information is to be collected is regarding the current pricing of the products, what are the trades and from consumer promotions being run by the various competitors, what are the new product and pack launches, what are the distribution patterns, what are the event that has been organized, and so on. Second thing is distributor profiles and the database. The profile management or the distribution profile compilation is one of the major tasks, and it is also a time taking task, and it has to be updated at least once a year. So what are the various details that has to be included in this compilation is like name, address, locations, name of the partners, number of years in the business, number of years with the company, name of the contact person, financial strengths, market standing, etc. etc. So this has to be a proper database regarding the distributor's profile. Next is about the primary sales. Primary sales is whatever done to the distributors, means the product has not been sold to the end user. Thus, this sale is done by the company to the distributors. So you have to keep a track of how much amount of product units you have sold, and what amount have been realized by the company. All dispatches from the company warehouse can be captured every day, like how much amount has been sent to the distributors. This data will help you in scheduling the promotions and the effectiveness of the promotions. Next thing is inventory control. So this information system will also help you in keeping a track of inventory levels of finished goods, in work in progress, and raw materials, in order to ensure stock outs and stock ins within the norms, and so that you can reorder once you are able to find out like this particular product is going to be out of stock. So you can keep track on your inventory in order to maintain maximize the sales. Next is keeping the history of the orders. You have to keep track of the orders that has been placed by the channel partners for comparison against the quota that have been allocated to them, so that you can check their sales targets, and you can monitor their performance. Second thing is the distribution cost. You can optimize the cost of distribution by providing the adequate resources and return to the channel members. Next is distributors ROI. Like what is this is the one of the critical parameter that has to be measured, so that the distributors are motivated and they can work effectively for a particular company. So it is one of the important activity to measure the ROI at least once in a 6 months, so that it can be compiled information and it is kept as a record for the future purpose. Retailers card, this is mainly relevant for the FMCG and pharmaceutical industry, where the number of outlets to be covered every day by a members is large, and that details has to be kept. Like the retailer card has the information like name of the outlet, address, the contact person, the buying record, etc. So these types of information can be used to classify the outlets, so that they can focus on each product. Each category can be accordingly adjusted. Then is statutory information and reporting. This can be inspected by the government organization at any time, like sales tax, VAT officials, and Prevention of Food Adulteration Act regarding the quality. So you have to keep the data and the documents ready, so that at the time of auditing, there must be no mismatch between the documents. So this is again the very important task of information system. And the distributors payment records, another thing that is to be taken care of is the history of distributors in terms of payments, like how the payments has been done and during what durations, on which date the particular payment has been done. So this was all about the information system. So thank you.